Hello, welcome to our video tutorial. Today we'll be showing you our quick start guide for Art AR for Shopify stores. Congratulations on using Art AR to empower your customers to make confident art choices by visualizing pieces in their personal space, ensuring a perfect fit for their style and environment. If you haven't yet downloaded Art AR for Shopify, then head to our website and claim your 15 days free trial now. With only a few steps, you'll be ready to enable your clients to seamlessly visualize and connect with your creations in their own living spaces. Once you've downloaded the Art AR Shopify app from the Shopify App Store, let's swiftly set things in motion. Step 1. Craft your art's presence. Easily upload your artwork, input dimensions, and choose a frame style to configure your masterpiece for an immersive AR experience. For this quick tutorial, we'll configure together a basic painting with a basic frame type. For more advanced examples, you can check our other tutorials on our website. Let's first navigate to the dashboard and select a product to configure. After selecting a product in the dashboard in Art AR Shopify app, a configuration board will appear to allow us to configure the art piece. This is very easy to set up. First, let's upload an image of the art, whether that's a painting, a poster, or a photo, by clicking the Add File. Select an image you have of the art from your computer. Make sure that the image size is less than 2 megabytes. It's recommended for the image to be clear and in good quality for the best results. The image of the art should not include the frame. Now, let's enter the dimensions of the art piece. These are the dimensions of the art piece without a frame. In this tutorial, we'll be using the dimensions 50 by 60 by 7. You can also select the unit of measurement you prefer, whether that's centimeters or inches. Make sure the dimensions are correct and reflect the real-world art piece, excluding the frame. By default, we have the single frame checkbox selected. This means that we want to configure our art that is made of one piece, like a painting, a poster, or a photo. If you'd like to configure a painting that is made of multiple panels or multiple paintings grouped together, please check our other tutorial on our website. After having the single frame option selected, you can choose the type of art you have. It can be a painting or a 2D poster that can both be placed on walls, or a photo that can get placed on flat surfaces. You can select the frame type you prefer for your painting from different frames in the list. Some frames come in different styles, like black, gold, or wooden. For this tutorial, we'll select the American Golden frame style. On your left, you can see a visual preview of what the art piece will look like in 3D. You can use the mouse inside the preview, mouse wheel to zoom. Dragging while left mouse button is clicked can change the position. Dragging while right mouse button is clicked can change the rotation. This is a simple 3D preview for you to have an idea of how the art will look like. After being satisfied with the result, you can click the green Save button to save. Now, in the Products dashboard in the Art AR app, you can enable the AR switch toggle to activate this product to work in AR. Step 2. Customize the client journey. The following step is done once and doesn't need to be redone each time. In this part, we will add a button to our product page to allow our clients to visualize the art by clicking on that button that we can customize the design for. First, navigate to the theme editor of your Shopify store. Navigate to the product page in the theme editor. Now add the Art AR block to the page. Important note: since the default product page in the theme extension shows the first product as an example, if that product is not configured for AR correctly using the steps we did, then the Art AR button may not appear on the page. The button is smart enough to detect if a product has been configured for AR or not. If it's not configured, then it won't appear. You're technically ready now, but to improve the design even further, Feel free to modify the configuration on the right to fit what is best for your style of the store. And congratulations! Now, your clients will be able to preview your masterpiece in their real spaces using their smartphone, and for you to position your art business at the forefront of innovation, offering a forward-thinking solution that aligns with the evolving expectations of modern art consumers. This was a quick start tutorial. For a more detailed or more advanced tutorials, please check our tutorials in this website. And if you have any questions, you can check our FAQ section or contact us for any questions or suggestions.